I'm going to teach you how to sell your house yourself and save literally thousands of dollars. Hi, my name's Joel Y. I've been a real estate agent in the state of Kansas since 2009. The last several years I've been a top producer, selling between 50 and 80 homes a year. And I don't have a team, and those aren't my broker's numbers, those are my numbers. I tell you this so you know that I have the experience and I've gained the knowledge over the years that I use to teach you how to sell your house yourself. And don't be intimidated. Lots of people are selling their house themselves. In fact, every year I see more and more for sale by owners come in on the market. Something the real estate industry really doesn't want you to know. And think about it. Think about the money you can save. If you have a $300,000 house and you're paying somebody 6% commission to sell that for you, that's $18,000. Wow! Think of what you could do with that money. And you may be wondering, why would I want to teach you to do it yourself when it's what I do for a living? Well, watch this video up here and you'll get somewhat of an insight. And it's also just because I see the future. The real estate industry is stagnated and it needs reform. And I think that what's going to disrupt the real estate industry is just you, the consumer, when you learn how to sell your house yourself and how easily it can be done. So subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'll be posting videos every week that will teach you how to sell your house yourself, sell it fast, and sell it for more money.